and welcome to today's lecture on permutations as part of our data science and AI lecture series. My name is Bindeshwar and I am from PostNetwork Academy. Today we will be diving into some key examples of permutations to help you understand how to calculate different arrangements of objects. So let's get diving. So let us see the first example. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if repetition of digit is not allowed? So we will form a number or more numbers of 4 digit using 1 to 9, but repetition is not allowed. So very simple, total digits are 9 and you will take 4. So there would be 3024 arrangements. That means using 1 to 9 these numbers you can make 3024 digits numbers. Second example, how many numbers lying between 100 to 1000 can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if the repetition of digits is not allowed? So see that from 100 to 1000 you will have 3-digit numbers. So out of 6 numbers you will take 3. So that would be P3, and numbers with 0 in the 100 place you will subtract. So 20 numbers you will subtract. So that would be 100 numbers. Let us see next example. Find the value of n such that p n5 is equal to 42 and p n3. So this is the equation in permutations. So we will solve it. Very simple. So just expand it and thereafter you will get a quadratic equation n square minus 7n minus 30 is equal to 0. And if you solve, you will get the value of n as 10. Now let us solve another example. This is in equation in permutation. So P5R is equal to 6, P5R minus 1. So expand. So you will get this one. Now if you simplify, so you will get 6 minus R, 5 minus R is equal to 6. And if you solve, you will get R minus 8, R minus 3 factors. So either R minus 8 is 0 or R minus 3 is 0. So we will get the value of R is 8 or 3. Let us see another example. Find the number of different 8 letter arrangements of daughter where all vowels occur together. All vowels do not occur together. So see the first solution. So see that there are 3 vowels A, U and E. So we will treat a single unit. So that would be 6 into factorial 6 into factorial 3, because we are treating if A, U and E they are coming it together, so we will treat as a single object. Second, total arrangement for factorial 8, all vowels do not occur together. So we will subtract that cases which will occur together. So factorial 8 minus factorial 6 into factorial 3. So that would be 36,000. So these are very simple examples. And another example, in how many ways can 4 red, 3 yellow and 2 green discs be arranged in a row if discs of the same color are indistinguishable? Solution, total discs if you add 4 plus 3 plus 2. So 7 plus 2 9, and arrangement because 4 are red, 3 are of yellow and 2 are of green. So they are of same color. So you will divide up that numbers factorial. That would be 1260. Now If you want to get more resources from PostNetwork Academy, so you can visit www.postnetwork.co. You can also visit YouTube channel for a playlist and videos, Facebook page for a post and videos, and you can also connect to PostNetwork Academy's LinkedIn page. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.